I request the two teams that argued the final. You can sit on your representative sides or just, you can sit for the meantime. Let us clap for them, guys. Getting to a Moot final is not a mean feat. Okay. So at this stage, we are allowed to disclose the names of the teams. We had two teams. We had two teams. In the applicants, we had Team Justice Kisache. Justice, you'll allow me briefly speak about the names and the choice why we selected those names. We selected some of the most eminent jurists in Uganda. Particularly Justice Kisache is a champion of the rule of law who was exiled because of her dissent in an election petition. We thought it was honorable to have her name here and mentioned because of the work that she has done. Another one was one of the most celebrated jurists in Uganda, a former Chief Justice of Seychelles, a former Chief Justice it was a former Chief Justice of Seychelles. There's another nation which skips my mind. Was it Kosovo? The United Nations UNITA. The UNITA, it's a United Nations body on transitions. None other than Justice Engonda Ntende is one of the only justices who dissented in the Susan Chigula case concerning the death penalty and argued that the death penalty, specifically the method of hanging, is unconstitutional. He's also one of the only justices who dissented in the recent decision filed by one of our partners, Chapter 4 Uganda, and Dr. Usinje Kawumba, and declared that no ground, the requirement for you to have a ground in order to divorce in Uganda is unconstitutional. He was arguing that the moment you withdraw consent in a marriage, that should suffice to dissolve the union. So he's a man who understands what consent means within our constitutional dispensation. And that was this second team. Now, before we proceed to the call of the judges, allow me to also award the second runners-up. The second runners-up are the team which is placed third, and which was the third best team according to their speaker points in the semi-finals. That team is none other than Chitante Hill Secondary School. Congratulations to Chitante Hill School. Those are the two amazing youngsters who argued the case together with their patron. Chitante Hill just started training last week, and in 1 week, they have done an exceptional job. I will also call Sweetie, who is the coach of Chitante, to come here with them. Congratulations, Chitante Hill School. Give them from ahead there. Congratulations, congratulations. Congratulations. Okay, now, I'm sorry for keeping the good doctor standing, but he's a very fit man. Now, to the final call. Drum rolls. Drum rolls. Drum rolls. We had a panel of 6 judges. This was, they tell me, it was an exceptionally impressive round. One of the best rounds that they have judged in all their careers. And they are exceptionally impressed that secondary school students could argue these things. Things that even some of us could not argue while we were in secondary school. This was a split ballot. Of 4-2. Someone tell your neighbor, 4-2. 4-2. Which one is in the majority? Exactly. So you need a majority of the judges. So one team convinced 2, another team convinced 4. Well. And the judges tell me that the team which won or which wins the first Uganda National Schools Moot Court competition is none other than, drum rolls, it's none other than the team which is going to take this trophy. Guys, okay, let me mention that team, we don't have time. The team which wins the first Uganda National Schools Moot Court competition has a girl. It also has 2 students who are wearing gowns. So this certificate will be presented. I'll first announce the first runners-up. When I announce the first runners-up and we award them, we shall automatically know the winning team, right? Guys, the excitement is too much. Or we go back and come back tomorrow. We shall send the results via email. Doesn't that work? Okay. Dr. Kabumba. This is a silver trophy of the first Uganda National Schools Moot Court competition. And it's for the first runners-up.
Thank you very much. I can see this. It's silver.
Very silver. With a black base.
Yes.
With stripes. I don't know how they call them.
It's for the first runners-up.
Yeah, exactly. It has a crown on top, as you can see.
And it's very silver.
Very silver, entirely. So you can even see your reflection. Anyway. Oh, we also have medals. I had forgotten. Silver medals. Judges are impatient. These are for the first runners-up, 3 of them. 2 for the oralists and 1 for the patron. And also a certificate. Okay, now. Guys, if you want me to announce, we are going to count from 5. Yeah. Yeah. I am the owner of this competition. Okay, 5. 3, 1. The first runners-up of the first Uganda National Schools Moot Court competition is none other than, drum rolls, drum rolls, drum rolls, breathe in and out, Mengo Senior School. Congratulations to Mengo Senior School. DJ, give us celebratory music. Congratulations, congratulations. Congratulations. We have had a system of trainers. I think they can share in this victory. I'll invite Melissa also to bask in the glory of Mengo Senior School. Mengo Senior School, DJ? Mengo Senior School started training 3 days ago. Guys, 3 days ago. And they have done something exceptional. A feat that no one can easily achieve. Congratulations. Mengo Senior School, apart from being the first runners-up, also has the best and second best oralists. Wow. Champions. Congratulations. And now for the team that you inevitably know. The winner, which you know, of the first Uganda National Schools Moot Court competition, taking home a golden trophy and golden certificate. For these ones, doctor, you have to put certificates in them. Yes. A ceremony. Oh. Yes, the medals. But you can as well put the certificates on their head. I'm kidding. Anyway. Is none other than Gayaza High School. You're welcome, Gayaza. Congratulations. Patron Gayaza High School. Congratulations for winning. Congratulations. Let's take a photo moment with the good doctor. Let's come here. Let's have a photo moment with also the two amazing coaches who were sent by the organization. Doctor? Raise the trophy. I know it's heavy. Congratulations, Gayaza High. Who am I not to join? Champions of the first National Schools Moot Court competition. Okay, we shall see you next year. In the meantime, we will engage some of these participants. But thank you so much for gracing this event. Safe journey home. Oh, a minute before we leave. I want us to all stand up. Thank you. I know I've asked a lot from you. But I want us to clap for all our amazing judges who have done the best to deliver for us the best competition and the most successful event of the day. We thank you. The organizers thank you. We are extremely grateful. These are not the only judges. We also had other judges who did not judge the final. I can mention them. Dalton Kisule, Melissa Ankunda, and also Harry Mwesigwa. Clap for him, that good gentleman. Thank you so much. Okay, have a good evening, and bye-bye. For the team.